Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to share how to add vinyl to a color changing tumbler using my Cricut Joy machine and its tech accessories. I picked all of these supplies up from Michaels and I want to thank Michaels for sponsoring this video. I love how easy this is to make with the Cricut Joy machine. This machine is so compact, making it easy to craft anywhere, and I'm also just obsessed with these holographic vinyl colors. You can see how the cup changes colors with ice and water in it, and I think it's so fun for the summer. First, I will show you how I put this together in Cricut Design Space. Upload your image into Cricut Design Space, then select Cricut Joy, then size your design to fit the tumbler. Now click Make It in the upper right corner. I'm using Smart Vinyl, so I don't need a mat, so I'll select Without Mat, then click Done. Then I'll press Continue. The Cricut Joy uses Bluetooth wireless technology to set it up, which I love because you don't need a USB cord for the machine. All you need is the power cord to plug it in. I'm using permanent Smart Vinyl, so I select that for my material option. I open my Cricut Joy machine by pulling down on the front. Here's the Smart Vinyl I'm using. It has 3 different holographic colors and I just love how pretty they are. If you want to use vinyl you already have at home, you can use the Cricut Joy mat to cut that out. Press the vinyl under the slots and up against the rollers. The Cricut Joy will automatically load it into the machine. If it's not completely straight, the machine will adjust it to the correct spot. Click Go on your computer. The Cricut will cut out the design. Once it's done, select Complete. Cut around the design, then weed the negative space of the vinyl. Cut out a piece of transfer tape around the same size as your decal, then apply it on top of the vinyl design. Use the scraper tool to burnish your vinyl to the transfer tape. My favorite tip when using transfer tape is to turn the decal around and burnish the back of the vinyl, then pull the backing away. I've found doing it this way makes it so much easier. If a vinyl piece doesn't want to stick to the transfer paper, just press it back down and try pulling it back up again. Line up your design on the cup, then press the vinyl down really well on the cup. Then slowly take the transfer paper off. I do this at an angle, and if a piece of vinyl sticks to the transfer tape, just once again go back and press it down. I let the vinyl cure for 24 to 48 hours, meaning I wait to get it wet until that time's over. This is permanent vinyl, so I do not seal it with anything. I just make sure to hand wash it and not put it in the dishwasher. These cups also will not work with epoxy to seal them. Here's the other 2 cups with the holographic vinyl from the same vinyl pack, and I'm just obsessed with it. They're so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to check out Michael's stores for all of your tech supplies such as the Cricut Joy and tech accessories. I hope you have an excellent day.